You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
And good morning and welcome back. A live look from Mount Soledad, yes? What a beautiful day. October the 3rd, fall is in the air. Christine Lusita is in the house. You are an expert when it comes to nutrition, but also wellness.
Yes.
You don't have to give up flavor to be healthy. Is this right, Christine?
Absolutely not. It's fall and we've got all the yummy seasons, and
Yes.
we still got to be able to indulge without undoing a healthy lifestyle.
You're from Connecticut,
Yeah.
and we have palm trees here, so you have leaves here that change colors, and thank you for bringing those all the way from the East Coast. We appreciate that.
Yes, exactly.
When it comes to the kids,
Yes.
you brought some nice drinks here.
Yeah, I brought something for everyone because, listen, during the holiday season, it's party time. It's too easy to consume high-sugar drinks.
Do you have
Problem
children, by the
solved.
way?
I do not.
Okay, that's fine, but
Not
you
the
still
moment.
know kids.
I know kids.
Nieces, nephews?
Plenty of them.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, exactly. So this is Honest Tea. They're all organic. They're made just a tad bit sweet. They've got so many yummy, delicious flavors for fall. And what I love so much about them, they're a better-for-you beverage right off the bat, again, because they're made with low or no sugar.
I was just going to ask about the sugar content
Yeah.
for these, because a lot of the older teas, we're thinking back to Lipton and those things, they had a ton of sugar.
Yeah, this is literally half the amount
Can I
of sugar.
try?
Yes, this is golden pineapple turmeric. Turmeric is on trend right now. It's so delicious.
That's true.
Isn't that so
Oh,
good?
that's delicious. And it's not too sweet, which I like.
Yes,
What did I almost break here?
Some maple syrup. We'll get to that one. No
Okay.
big deal. And what I love also, they've got these grab-and-go pouches for your kids. Try this. This is Happily Ever After. They've got Berry Berry Good Lemonade. They've got tons of great flavors.
Well, that's nice, too. And
Actually,
not
that's in
too
my
sweet.
gym bag. So I drink this. It's not really just for kids. It's for adults, too. And you can find these
You know why
at-
you have time for the gym?
Yeah.
Because you don't have kids.
Exactly. And you can find these at any of your local stores nationwide. But again, what my favorite thing is, they're just a great alternative. So you can still enjoy, get all the savory flavors, and don't break the calorie bank.
Christina, will you feed me now?
Of course. How could I not want
Thank you.
to, Chris?
You gave me drinks, now I want food.
Okay, so we're going to start off with the Maple Guild. Now,
Okay.
this is the maple extravaganza happening right now in the nation. People are so crazy about it. This is the Maple Guild. They're all organic. What's super cool, they're from Vermont. They're the only company in the entire world that steam crafts their maple. So you see it's this light golden color, and it's not boiled. Try this. This is maple butter. All of their products are very versatile. You can put them on anything. Yes, okay, and this right here I'm going to have you try. Now, I'm going to feed you because this is going to get a little bit messy, but this is one of
Getting
their...
a little bit weird. Go ahead.
This is kind of fun for me. Do you like it?
I love it.
That is bourbon flavored. We need a little napkin over here. Okay, that is bourbon flavored
Well,
syrup.
no wonder I like it. I'm Irish.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, and so what I love most about these is the maple. A lot of people don't know that maple is such a smarter sweetener because it's lower in the glycemic index, and that means as quickly that your body just absorbs it in your bloodstream a lot slower, so it's a lot healthier choice than some of the traditional. Look at, they even have maple vinegar, so people are putting this on their salads, on their grills.
We have 1 minute.
Okay.
We need to get to
Okay, yes, we need to get
the
to a lot of
Manuka
stuff.
honey.
Manuka honey, this is a great way to upgrade your wellness routine. You can add this to basically anything, a smoothie. Try this. It works great in a warm
This is the best
glass.
guest we've ever had. Thank you.
I'm feeding you because we love it. But it has so many great properties, too. You can find
That's
it on
delicious.
their Instagram handle. Lastly, a Williams-Sonoma, a brand we all know and love. It's
Yeah.
pumpkin crazy out there. I'm so excited. Listen, pumpkin spice peanut butter, can you go wrong?
No.
But my favorite part about this so much is that they're offering gluten-free options for pumpkin chocolate pancakes.
Ooh,
We
those
cannot
sound
go wrong.
good right now. And then, okay, if you're going to do that, if you're going to make us those pancakes,
Yes.
what syrup would you put on that for
Okay,
us?
I would personally put on the salted caramel, or they've got pumpkin spice, and or you can put on the coffee flavor and the bourbon. I've actually been using these products to make those ice blended drinks, just a healthier version to do it.
Christine, thank you for feeding me. I really appreciate this visit. You know who loves tea? Brad Wills. Brad, how about this Moroccan mint green tea? Would you like that one?
Oh,
Love this, Brad.
can you please save that for me? Yes, delicious.